All right. Earth rotates on its axis once a day. It rotates on an imaginary line um, called the axis of rotation. That's a line that passes through the North and South Pole. That is why, um, that's why the rotation of the Earth happens. What causes night and day is when the Earth rotates of the one side of the Earth faces the sun and one side doesn't. The side of the Earth that faces the sun is night, and then when it faces away, it's no, the side that faces the sun is day, and when it faces away, it's night. Um, the major lunar phases are gonna try to find. The phases of the moon are caused by changing angles of the Earth and the moon as the sun, the Earth and the moon and the sun as the motion orbits the Earth. So as the moon orbits in the sun, that's what causes the phases. The seasons are created by the tilt of the Earth as it rotates around the sun in a year's time. So one of these will one rotation around this is a year. And as you can see, when it hits different times with the tilt, it causes different seasons. Some places can see the exact same phases as us, depending on where they're located on Earth with the equator and how the moon and the sun hits them. The reason why the sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west is because of the way the Earth rotates towards the east. It looks like the sun is moving west. And then why we see some zodiac signs is we can see different parts of the sky during different parts of the year because of the Earth's rotation. So again, this goes along with the seasons. Some zodiac phases you can see during or when, depending on when the Earth is rotating and the moon is rotating.